Okay, golf players can have injuries associated with their sports as well. Some of the injuries are, for example, related to their hands. Golfers can injure their fingers. They can have trigger finger. Trigger finger is a condition whereby the structure called the A1 pulley of the finger becomes thickened and the tendon, flexor tendon, no longer glides properly. What happens is that pain here, and when they try to bend the finger, they find that it's very hard to bend. But once they can bend, they find it very hard to extend the finger, and it goes like that. It's like a trigger. So that is one condition. Another common condition is in the shoulder joint. Usually these are in golf players who play a lot, or those who are not that experienced, and when they try to hit the ball, they actually hit the ground, and the impact is transmitted to the shoulder joint. So they can have shoulder impingement pain. Sometimes when the problem becomes more advanced, they can even end up with tendon tear in the shoulder. This is what we call a rotator cuff tendon tear. Other areas are golfer's elbow. Golfer's elbow is actually a pain on the inner aspect of the elbow near a bony prominence called the medial epicondyle, and this is from repetitive swinging of the club. Even tennis elbow can also occur in golfer players. Other areas whereby golf players can have problem will be their spine. The lower part of their spine, called the lumbar spine, can sometimes have a prolapsed disc, and they can have pain from the back going down their back of the leg towards the foot, and this can be quite painful. Knee injuries can also occur. Knee injuries, they are usually due to the twisting force, and they can have meniscal tears. They can have kneecap problem. The kneecap is this area, and usually from the twisting activities, they tend to have a lot of wear and tear in the front of the knee, and they usually complain of pain in the front of the knee joint.